Alright guys, we are back. This is the coffee time again. I hope you like this adventure that we are taking you on. This is the parchment area, and this is the Kalamazoo River. And as you can tell, this bridge is very, very, very sketchy. As you can tell, people don't give a dang about the water here or the life in the water. You want me to come get your train?
Is he gonna go across it?
Huh?
Is he going across it?
Yeah.
He doesn't like height or water, so this is just mixing the two.
Yeah.
I don't mind water fun, I don't like it. No, I really don't.
Alright. I am crossing the bridge. Ferris the fam is with me, and so is the husband. And as you can see, this is very, very sketchy. Just taking my time getting across it. As you can see, the river underneath. Like almost in the middle. It's actually pretty out here because it's all nature. Nature takes everything back. Ferris the fam was out here twice, and they had found a homeless camp. Gonna try and avoid that. Give you a shot down that way. If you cross this, you're a complete savage. This. Alright guys, we made it across the bridge. As you can see, we're coming up to the very end of it. I have my husband here with me. I don't know if I got him or not, but he's right there.
Keep going.
This bridge is real sketchy, sketchy, sketchy. So we are on solid ground. Now, where do we go?
Good question. Probably over that tree. I'm gonna get my breathing to calm down.
So guys, this is our nature walk to where we need to go. We are trying to find my son and daughter-in-law. They went the long way and we're hoping to catch up with them here at the railroad tracks. And that looks like a, you guys can see that. That's what we were trying to avoid, the homeless camp. That's just part of it. So we're just following a trail here. We do have my cell phone with us, and if we get lost, we're still in city limits, so we'll be able to actually call my son if we get lost. This is so beautiful back in here because it's nothing but pure nature. Say hi, honey. Oh, he said hi, honey. Really? So I don't know, we kind of came out on a street. I don't think this is where we needed to be. Huh? All right, guys, I'm gonna call my son, so I'll be right back.